Gonia igi na igi ngiri imwe na magana matatu cia cukari utakinyanirie ikiro. Cukari uyu uri o gicunje kia ungi unyitetwo utakinyanirie ikiro, ona gutuika umwe waguo ni ugwati hari ugima wa mwiri tondu uri na cuma ta mercury na copper.
Our teams have conducted the necessary surveys, the necessary scientific study of what we have collected. And I want to be frank with the people of Kenya that we have to change the way we live.
Cukari uyu unyitetwo ruiro na isili na ukoretwo ugithayo mugaru na watho ugekirwo maratathi ma kambuni ciuikaine guku bururi-ini na itanya ria kuutwara thoko. Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Dr. Fred Matiang'i augite ati ni undu wa kumakania kuona a Kenya amwe matire na bata na mioyo ya aria agi.
When you are distributing chemicals, you are selling Kenyans poison that you are purporting to be sugar, and you're making money out of it, you are engaged in murder on a mass scale.
Matiang'i augite ati ni aruteirwo mikana ya kuragwo wona ahithuria jama ino ya cukari, no agateterithia ndari na guoya o wothe na ni wira wake araruta.
But let me tell you quite clearly, we are ready. There are people who gave up their lives for this country to be independent. They did not lose their lives in vain.
President Uhuru Kenyatta ni aikitie urito wake kuri frigishani ta ici cia kuhithuria kuria waici wa igoti urorera, undu uria Matiang'i augite ati ni hindi bara irambiriria.
I am here first to assure my colleagues and the DCI that you have the president's 100% support.
Gutire mundu wikirio ngono frigisheni ino riri uthuthurie makiria urathi na mbere. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, jitagwo Muthoni wa Mukiri.